This is a Sanctuary table feeder. It's a Sanctuary on a table, intended to go off the ground. We had a problem with cats stalking and attacking the ground feeding birds. We've decided to do this and raise it off the ground. In this case it'll be on a chimney pot. So this is what I had at the merchants, the planks. But to make things a little easier, you might find they have an offcut of ply, and you'd be able to do it in one piece, and that reduces the amount of work. This is the RSPB wide mesh ground protector, and when you unwrap it, it will turn into this. Metal clips, keeps it together, and as it wobbles around a lot, that's why you have the metal corners, just to keep it from moving off the table. Offcut of this will go in the middle in an X shape, because that being the chimney pot, cut that the other side, and then that will sit in the pot so it doesn't wobble around. In the corners, wonderfully named table stretcher. That will stop the Sanctuary from falling off, one in each corner. Drill those. We made one that was exactly the same size, and then discovered that actually it might be handy to have a little balcony so they can sit there and sun themselves on two sides, just to give them something to walk around. Just wide enough for the smaller birds, but nothing like a pigeon. They don't like it, they can't quite balance on it. Makes them very annoyed. Once it's all done, it'll all get covered in some stain, shed or fence stain, so it should be okay.